Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is a Starline i96 Pro on this 2019 Range Rover Velar. So the way the system works, if someone was to get in, clone the key, try to start the vehicle, it will just swipe and switch off. The vehicle won't start. So you've got to pass authorization. So this system can be done either using a push sequence on the steering wheel or by pairing up the customer's phone with an adjustable Bluetooth range. We haven't paired the customer's phone yet, so we'll just show you it with the buttons. So the way it works, ignition on, put your disarm code in. This can be between 3 and 21 presses, but for the video we've kept it simple. So 1, 2, 3. Hear our melody, now we can start the vehicle up. As you can see, the vehicle's running. So if the customer wants to change the code with this system, this is how it's done. So first ignition on, disarm the system, get our melody. So 1, 2, 3. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. It's ready to learn. Now it's ready to put the code in. So we'll just change it to this button here. So 1, 2, 3. We've got our confirmation. So repeat that again. 1, 2, 3. Same confirmation, that's the code learnt. So ignition off, give it 10 seconds, and we'll try the old code. You'll see that won't work, and then we'll try the new code. So ignition on, old code, 1, 2, 3. See, we won't get our melody. So now we'll do the new code. So ignition on, new code, 1, 2, 3. Melody, vehicle will start. There we go. If the customer needs to take it back to Range Rover, put it in service mode, obviously doesn't want to tell them the disarm code, hand them the phone. They just want it to be a normal vehicle when it's back at Range Rover. It can be put into service mode. So to do that, the ignition on, disarm the system. Get our melody. Now press any button 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off and on, we'll get 2 bleeps and that'll be it in service mode. There you go, so this is now a normal car. So you'll see, just start it up as normal. Range Rover will be able to drive it around the workshop, service it as they need. No need to give them the code. This is just acting like a normal vehicle. When you get the car back, it's as simple as turn the ignition on, pop your disarm code in, get your 2 bleeps, this car's now protected. So after about 10 seconds, this alarm, and then it'll be fully secure again. You'll need the PIN code or the customer's phone. So we'll just show you that finally. Vehicle secure, won't start, it needs the PIN code. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3 was our code. Got our melody, now the vehicle will start. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle and protect it from key cloning or key theft, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, that's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.